Hi everyone, welcome to another quick session. In this session, we will try to summarize all the standards which we have discussed in our previous videos. We have discussed them separately. For instance, we have discussed GDPR, we have discussed HIPAA, we have discussed CCPA, we have discussed uh, uh, all these. We have discussed all these standards and. So now let us discuss about legal and compliance risk. So we will try to summarize them. So in this, of, the key points are that if company is who is working with sensitive data, they are required to compliance with the laws and regulations, right? So organization must understand which law and regulation apply when handling sensitive information, data storage, processing, transmission. So, jurisdictional challenges make compliance complex, but it's often not clear cut which laws apply, especially when a company is located in one state, for example, California, customer is another state, for example, New York, cloud provider and data center are located elsewhere, Texas or Florida, for instance. Law from multiple states or countries may apply at once, right? So global regulation compliance matters further. For instance, we have discussed in our separate video, separate session, GDPR, EU laws applies to EU resident data even if the data is handled outside the EU. GDPR includes strict rights like to right to be forgotten, which can be technically challenging to implement, right? So these are the challenges. Regulation may be legal or industry based. Not all regulations come from governments, very important. We have discussed them separately. For example, PCI DSS is a self-regulatory industry standard for credit card data enforced by banks and credit card networks. Non-compliance has serious consequences. For instance, failing to comply can result fines, penalties, very important reputational damage, right? A loss of business licenses or IP rights, contractual penalties or lawsuits. Legal guidance is essential. Organizations should work with legal counsel to sort out thorough overlapping and sometimes conflicting legal obligations. Risk posture must be assessed in context of all applicable laws, right? So as you can see in this diagram, so reputational damage is a very major damage for any company. They can lose the clients, poor brand reputation. Business, it could be, business bans, organization can be completely shut down. Loss, financial loss was a major loss, loss of investors, loss of revenue, loss of legal fees penalties, imprisonment, and and forfeiture for of property. So I mean, we need to make sure that we are legally compliant, right? So, and which law is applicable to us. So that is quick thing about legal and compliance risk. And thank you so much for watching this video.